Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Longman VISTAS for Class 4, Chapter 12. And the name of the chapter is Forests of India. Tick the things that we get from plants and trees: wood, tissue papers, and medicines. A large area of land covered with trees is known as forest. Apart from trees, bushes, shrubs, wildflowers, and mosses are also a part of forests. Forests are home to wildlife. Useful forests. Forests are an important and essential natural resource as they provide us with many useful things. They provide us with nuts, berries, and fruits. They provide shelter to wildlife and fodder to animals. They provide us with hardwood and softwood, which is used for making furniture. Paper, plywood, and matchsticks are some other useful things. As you can see in the picture, it is a picture of furniture. More than 40% of the fuel of the world is supplied by forests. Forests provide medicinal plants and herbs. The trees of rainforests also provide medicines. They provide products like gum, rubber, resin, cork, and camphor. As you can see, this is the picture of rubber products. Forests cover 21.54% of the total area of our country. There are different types of forests in India: evergreen forest, tidal forest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, and desert forests. Evergreen forests. These forests remain green throughout the year as all trees do not shed leaves at the same time. These forests are found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, slopes of Western Ghats, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Trees: rosewood, sandalwood, bamboo, teak, ebony, and mahogany. Deciduous forests. In these forests, trees shed their leaves annually. These forests are also known as monsoon forests. These are found in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. The trees: teak, sal, sandalwood, bamboo, and shisha. Desert forests. The trees of these forests are scattered, short, and thorny. These are also known as thorn forests. These forests are mainly found in places with less rainfall such as Rajasthan and in parts of Gujarat and Punjab. Trees like kikar, babul, and date palm. Tidal forests. The trees of these forests can survive in fresh as well as salty water of the sea. Due to marshy land, the roots of the trees tend to come out of the surface. West Bengal has the biggest stretch of mangrove forests, known as the Sundarbans. Sundarbans get their name from the Sundari trees growing here. Coniferous or mountain forests. The coniferous forests are covered with tall, cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves. The needle-shaped leaves of these trees help the snow to slide during winter. These trees survive in cold temperature. These are found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Himachal Pradesh. Trees like pine, fir, oak, deodar, and spruce. Which animal is shown in the picture? Tiger. Name at least 3 states of India where it is found: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and West Bengal. Now wildlife. Wildlife includes animals, birds, and insects that are wild and live in the natural environment of a region. India has a rich variety of animals and birds. Our government has provided homes to these wild animals by building various national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The following tables name a few national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India. Wildlife sanctuary means an area of land used to preserve wildlife in their natural habitat. So as you can see this table, we have the national parks. Jim Corbett is in Uttarakhand and the animal is tiger. For Rajasthan, we have Sariska and Ranthambore and the animal is tiger. In Assam, we have Kaziranga National Park, one-horned rhino. In Madhya Pradesh, we have Kanha, Panna, and Bandhavgarh, and the animals are deer, elephant, and tiger. For Gujarat, we have Gir National Park. This is for Asiatic lion. Bandipur is for Karnataka, and tiger and elephant are the animals. Periyar is for Kerala for elephant, and Sundarbans is for West Bengal and animal is tiger. Now wildlife sanctuaries in India. Periyar is for Kerala, Chilika Lake Sanctuary for Odisha, Hazira Bagh is for Jharkhand, Idukki, Kerala, Dachigam, Jammu and Kashmir, Bharatpur for Rajasthan, and Sultanpur for Haryana. Conservation of wildlife. Sanctuaries and national parks not only provide a home but also prevent the killing of animals. This helps in the survival of the endangered species of animals. Conservation of forests. To conserve the forests in Uttarakhand, the Chipko movement was started in 1974 by Sundarlal Bahuguna. The people protected the trees by clinging to them and not allowing the woodcutters to cut them. Conserve means here protect or preserve the natural environment. Every year, projects are undertaken by schools, colleges, and other institutions to plant new saplings. The government and many other organizations try to promote the importance of growing more trees. During monsoon, every year, Van Mahotsava is celebrated. On this day, people plant trees in towns, villages, and cities. Did you know there are 92 national parks and 500 wildlife sanctuaries in India? Now, recap. A large area of land covered with trees is called forest. Various types of forests in India are evergreen, deciduous, thorn, coniferous, and tidal. Wildlife is preserved in forests through national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Now exercises. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. 1. There are 5 types of forests in India. The Jim Corbett National Park is in the state of Uttarakhand. The Bharatpur Wildlife Sanctuary is the state of Rajasthan. The Sundarbans has mangrove forests. Thorn forest is also known as desert forests. The question and answers will refer to the notebook. Now state whether these statements are true or false. Number 1. The evergreen forests are found in the areas with scanty rainfall falls. The deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests. True. Palm trees are found in coniferous forests. True. The torn forests are also called desert forests. True. The Sundarbans are the largest evergreen forest of India. False. Think and answer will refer to the notebook. And here, identify these trees and complete their names. This is fir, this is date palm, this is bamboo, this is ebony, and this is sal. Now, question number 1. Define forests. Large areas of land covered with trees, bushes, shrubs, wildflowers, mosses are known as forests. Question number 2. Name the different kinds of forests found in India. The different kinds of forests found in India are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, torn forest, tidal forest, and mountain forest. Write 3 uses of forests. Forests are an important resource as they provide us many things. 1. They provide us with nuts and berries and fruits. 2. They provide shelter to wildlife and fodder to animals. And 3. They provide us with hardwood and softwood used for making wood pulp, paper, plywood, and matchsticks. Question number 4. How are forests important for wildlife? Forests are very important for wildlife as they provide home and food to animals and birds. Question number 5. What steps have been taken by our government to save wildlife? Answer. Our government has provided home to wild animals by building various national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Now think and answer. Why do you think there is a need for national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to save our animals? There is a need for national parks and wildlife sanctuaries because people come in the jungles and kill animals and cut trees. This destroys their homes. They use these animals for their skin to make jackets, shoes, etc. This is why we keep such places to protect our animals so that they don't become extinct. So, if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.